Okay, Jonathan here. With me is Rebecca. We are just outside of Prague in the Czech Republic. Our starting place is in a place called Svaty Jan, and we're headed towards a large Gothic 13th century castle called Karlstejn Castle. The trek is about 11 kilometers long, and here we go! So, that was a day hike close to Prague in the Czech Republic. And if you would like to do this trek yourself, I will share with you some good to know details. The trailhead was next to a monastery in a place called Svaty Jan, and you get there either by taking the train from the Prague central station, which takes about 40 minutes, or you can take a taxi for about 50 euros. The trail went through beautiful forest paths that were easy to follow and well marked. We did this hike in November, and I highly recommend it as an autumn hike due to the beautiful orange and red colors. The lake that we approached about halfway through the hike was actually a quarry. After passing through Morina, which is a small village, we hiked through another forest before reaching the Karlstejn Castle. Unfortunately for us, the castle closed for internal visits just upon our arrival, so be mindful about its opening times if you wish to see the inside of the castle. About 10 minutes from Karlstejn Castle there is a train station where we were able to purchase tickets on the spot and take a train back to Prague after our visit. The trek was 11 kilometers long, but very easy to walk with almost no incline, and took us about 4 hours to complete, walking in a fairly slow tempo. If you want to visit the Karlstejn Castle or just witness some typical Czech landscape sceneries and fauna, I highly recommend this trek that require no previous hiking experience and is a perfect day activity as part of any visit to Prague. The castle is actually rated as one of the most beautiful castles of Czech, and although we could not enter the castle, we could see why. If you want to do this trek and have any questions, please comment below and I will help you out. And if you liked this video or found it helpful, please consider subscribing, as it ultimately enables me to get out and do more of these treks and videos to share. I would be very grateful. Thanks for watching.